This is how to toggle the RGB lights on the ROG Ally on and off. Of course, we are talking about the RGB lights around the thumbsticks. First of all, you'll need to go into Armory Crate. This is the shortcut button for the Armory Crate. Press it. Once this is open, you go to Settings, Lighting, and here is the main menu where you can toggle these whichever way you want. These are the lighting modes that you can switch one from another, choosing the colors. But of course, if you want to turn off an individual mode, just adjust the brightness setting to 0. As you can see, if I turn this back on, it's now flashing. But one more thing, if you want to turn these permanently off, I recommend going into the settings from this menu and turning off boot up, shutdown, and awake. And using this, it will permanently turn them off even though you restart the console. Now you know how to toggle on and off the RGB lights on the ROG Ally.